So what's the average percentage return that you guys are offering on a yearly basis, or even monthly basis?
On monthly, it could be from 15 to 30% in average.
15 to 30% average monthly return.
That's correct.
So that's
So this is
quite literally impossible.
So that clip was from my call with a company called Quantum AI, which is a scam. The reason this scam is so alarming is the app is currently number 41 in the App Store. I downloaded the app to check it out and was shocked to see them saying in bold letters on the app that they were going to turn my $350 into $25,000 in 1 year. How are they going to do that? Well, through AI, of course, and they said to book a call to find out. Very suspicious. Before we jump into the full call, let me tell you that those kind of returns are impossible. And if someone is saying they can give you that sort of return, they're a scammer and you should run away. Sometimes they might even show you in the app that your investment is going up, but when you go to withdraw it, the money won't be there. Apple will hopefully catch this and take it down, but these scammers have already published multiple apps under the same name and will likely keep doing that to scam unsuspecting beginner investors. Listen to my call with the rep who makes outrageous claims of fanciful returns and keeps saying that I'll need to invest more and more. Be safe out there and watch out for scams.
promises and exaggerate potential return, but with the help of automated trading by current statistics on return, it's quite possible to make the profit of around 1% to 5% of the initial investment, right?
Well,
So that means that
what I'm seeing here on the app is with a 1-year investment horizon, it says if I invest $350, my estimated income is $25,000. And then can you guys do that with your AI?
So I have investors who've been making that much profit, but from time to time they were making some reinvestments. For example, let's take you started with 350 and you were able to generate 30% or 40% during first months of trading. From time to time, people, if they have financial opportunity to add more money, so they are adding more money. For example, let's say you may add on monthly basis 100 or couple hundred extra. So that's how the capital for trading will be bigger. And that's how we can make a plan so that by the end of the year, you could generate that specific amount of profit. For the financial market, basically 25K is not something super huge that is impossible to generate, right? Because again, we had situations, for example, when Binance announced new coins and sometimes their value is increasing for like 100 or couple 100%. So that's why technically, even if you are putting a few dollars in those new coins, or for example, some promising IPOs, so it's quite possible to make very huge returns, right? But again, it won't be every single day, right? So that's why we are looking for a long-term relationships and a strong trading portfolio for every trader, for every investor, helping you to select right services, right account type, and achieve your financial goal.
But
right?
over the 1 year,
in fact,
what could I expect for a return over 1 year?
I don't want to talk about annual income, so usually we are talking about monthly income and depending on the volume of investment, Maxwell, right? Because, for example, there are different trading strategies based on the invested amount, right? Because, for example, there may be very short-term investments or more long-term investments, right? And also it depends of the amount of money. For example, when you start with very minimum investment, you have very limited options and very limited amount of assets to invest, right? If your balance grows, for example, you start trading with minimum, but it will take a little bit longer time for you to generate enough profit to have flexible funds that allows you to trade on most available assets. Right?
And sorry, quick question. Do you enjoy trying to scam people all day, or was this your dream job, or?
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, obviously the returns you guys are promising are outrageous. and clearly this is a scam.
Well, I was not giving you any kind of exaggerating return. So I'm not from the advertisement department. I hate those ads that they are placing in social media, because I'm working with investors every single day, right? And I have to explain them that this is not the return that investors see.
Well, on
And
your
right
app,
away,
on your app it literally says invested $350, estimated income $25,200 over a 1-year investment horizon. That's a clear scam. So do you feel comfortable scamming investors, or are you aware even that you're scamming investors, or are you sort of just doing the cog in the machine?
Not, Maxwell, scamming investors, right? We are a licensed, registered brokerage platform, right? So
No,
that is
you're
why I'm
not.
going to-
I looked you up on Ciro's website. You're not a licensed brokerage in Canada.
But I didn't even give you the platform as yet.
Okay, what's the platform?
We are selecting the platform time individually according to your goals.
The
For example, the company itself is Crypto Choice Club, right? It's international broker search agency, but we're working with investors from all around the world, not only with Canadian investors. So that is why we are either selecting the local company or the international platform, right? Some of the partners that we are working with, they are oriented on crypto trading, some on stocks, some on commodities, some offering you AI, some are oriented on manual trading, right? So that is why we are starting the work. First of all, we have to understand your goals, your ambitions, right? The potential investment that you are planning to put, right? And then we can talk about return. It's not something incredibly huge, for example, to make $2,000 on a monthly basis on the financial market.
From an
I don't
invested
understand
amount
why
of
you're-
$350, though. You're saying $2,000 return.
No, not from that. Obviously, not from 350.
But that's what it says in
you-
your app, though. I'm literally looking at the app right now. It says if I invest $350, my estimated income is $25,000 over a 1-year investment horizon. So is your app wrong, or why am I seeing that on the app?
So as I told you, usually it works that people first go with the minimum investment, but very often they are reinvesting more money. So that's how we are helping them to achieve that goal. So, but to get, for example, 25,000 from 350, it's almost impossible.
So what's the average percentage return that you guys are offering, or that most clients see on a yearly basis, or even monthly basis?
On monthly, it could be from 15 to 30% in average.
15 to 30% average monthly return.
That's correct.
So that's
So this is
quite literally impossible. The S&P 500 returns an average of 8 to 10% per year. If you guys are out here offering 15 to 30%, you're clearly a scam. That's an impossible return to have as an average.
But this is contract for difference. It's completely different type of investment and type of trading. Here you are trading Maxwell with leverage.
Oh, so it's extremely high risk.
Well, risks are involved, of course.
How much leverage?
It depends from the type of the assets. Leverage may be from 1 to 5, 1 to 10, even up to 1 or 500. So
500x leverage?
Repeat, please.
You're saying 500 times leverage?
Yes. For forex trading, it's possible to have leverage 1 to 500.
500x leverage. Okay, anyway, I'll let you go. I'm just filming this call because it's hilarious, and we're gonna post it on our YouTube. But I hope you have a good day. Bye. Holy
You're
shit.
welcome.